How to delete or archive a post. To delete a post, just look for the post you want to delete. Then look for the delete icon at the top right corner of the post. Select the delete option and confirm. As simple as that. You can cancel your deletion by clicking on the cancel text in the success message. But what if you want to just hide a post and leave it somewhere you can use it later, but not in your main feed or taking useful space on your list? Well, you can archive that post. That means that the post will be hidden away until you decide to unarchive it. To archive a post, just follow the same steps. Go to the delete icon, and instead of selecting delete, select archive. Then confirm. Your post has been archived. And where can you find it now? Well, in your submenu at the left side of the screen, you'll see that you have many filters here, and one of them is archive posts. Click on it, and you'll see your archive posts. You can unarchive by doing the same process in reverse. And that's it. Thank you for watching.